Okay, in this chapter you will learn the multiple tag testing. Okay, so we just turn to this chapter. Yes, this chapter is multi-tag testing, and there were two options here. It is inventory and read and write. Inventory just inventory the tag type, political, series number, this data storage, format identifier, RSI, the signal strength. Okay, and read count. So we can also just loop reading inventory, or just not looping inventory, just inventory for one time. And let's start it. Okay, it detected six tags here. Okay, so you can also see this political is ISO15693, and tag type, okay, NXP ICODE SLI series number is UID, and this is date storage format ID, and this is not frequently used, and RSI signal strength readout count. Okay, this others I think is not applicable as this reader, so it shows 0 volt. Okay, and you could also using a loop inventory. So example, I just show you that. Okay, it's always flashing when you take out. Yeah, this dynamic detection of tags. Okay, when tag moving, I will take out, the tag number will change. So this is called loop inventory. Okay. So you can also find the export the date. Yeah, you can just export the date to as per Excel or as per test. Okay. For example, I just output a test. For example, tag ID. Okay, export date successfully. Now you can see what it is. See that? So basically like that. Okay. And it also has a setting menus. A setting menu has some parameters to as display options, so you can just output signals when detect the text. So this text, this will make your PC make some sound. Okay. You can also as disable attendance ID as unique. Okay. Enable continuous inventory, and a lot of functions are here. You can set it according to your need. So normally we need to change it, except you need to customize your needs. Okay. You can see this is all the inventory model. You can see the view report. You can view all founded reports to show tag found in a single inventory, or show attendance statics. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of the parameters you can check. Okay. So this is settings. For example, read new text. You can just check that. Okay, if you need it. Okay, it is the settings. Now we turn to the read-write functions. Okay. Here, because our tags are ICODE SLIX, so I can just choose this one. And you can get tag information, which is tag ID. I check one step, and this can definitely just step 1. And I just also want to set a read blocks. For example, from block 1 to block 10. Okay. Step 2. And if you really want to write text, you can just check that one. Write text from starting block 1 to block, for example, block 10. All data has 1 was 1, but I don't want to write the text, so I just disable this function. So, and I have a lot of functions here. For example, local block, write just date storage, format ID, write AFI, local AFI, a lot of for AFI values. For example, 1, 1, 0, 10, 0 actual, but we didn't write, we just want to read, so I do not check this box. And also ES functions, setting password, changing passwords, actual. There's a lot of functions here, so we can just starting the reading. You can just check that. Okay, sorry, I just checked the loop. I needed to choose the loop. Let's see. Start. Okay, I found six tags here. Okay, the first tag is UID number, as this one, and this the time is just inventory. The time inventory, and this is blocks. I will just starting from block 0 and just read 10 blocks here. Okay, and there are totally six tags here. So this is 10. Okay, so step 1, I get tag information. This is tag information, and step 2, I read 10 blocks. You can see that. Okay, step 1, step 2, and it also defines different steps about this software. So this software is really powerful. You need to just invent it by yourself. There are also other tags that can support it. For example, TI tag it, or ST's tags. ST tag or Fujitsu's tags. Okay, these all tags can be supported. They both based on ISO 15693 practical. Okay, so this is the multi-tag test. Thanks for watching.